Bid'ah Hasanah, or praiseworthy innovation, is a concept within Islamic theology that refers to the introduction of new practices or actions into the religion that were not present during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, but are considered good or beneficial. The classification of a practice as Bid'ah Hasanah can vary among scholars and different schools of thought within Islam, but it generally depends on whether the innovation aligns with the principles and objectives of Islam, does not contradict established teachings, and brings about benefits for individuals or the community. One prominent example of Bid'ah Hasanah is the compilation of hadith, the sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. During the Prophet's lifetime, the hadith were transmitted orally. However, recognizing the need to preserve and authenticate the teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him, scholars later compiled hadith collections. These compilations, such as Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, serve as valuable sources for understanding and implementing the teachings of Islam. Another example of Bid'ah Hasanah is the field of tafsir, which refers to the interpretation and explanation of the Quran. Scholars have developed various methodologies and written commentaries to understand the meanings and implications of the Quranic verses. This scholarly effort to analyze and explain the Quran is considered Bid'ah Hasanah, as it provides valuable insights and guidance to Muslims in understanding the message of the Quran. Islamic calligraphy is also regarded as a Bid'ah Hasanah. This art form involves writing and designing Quranic verses and other Islamic texts in a visually aesthetic manner. Islamic calligraphy developed as a means to beautify the written word of Allah and to honor the Quranic verses. It has become a significant form of artistic expression, highly regarded in Muslim cultures. The establishment of philanthropic organizations or charitable institutions is considered another praiseworthy innovation. These organizations aim to help the needy and improve the welfare of society. Islamic banking and finance systems, adhering to Islamic principles and guidelines, are also viewed as Bid'ah Hasanah by some scholars. These systems provide alternative financial instruments and services that are free from interest, riba, and other prohibited elements, while promoting ethical and socially responsible practices.